This is part 9 of a video series where we create a corporate section zoom template in PowerPoint. This is the industry overview slide, which is slide 9. Let's start by creating a new slide. So go over to Home and create a new blank slide. Now go over to Insert Pictures and we're going to insert a stock image. We're going to search for trade and I'm going to use this image. Just go ahead and insert that and just give it a moment to download. Next, I'm going to just move this image a little bit to this side. I want the image to just be a little bit smaller, to be 27.85, and then select crop, move this handle all the way to the bottom and also increase the size of this image just a little bit. And I'm going to just move this a little bit to this side like this, or maybe just something like this. Escape, select the image, right click and go to format picture. Under picture here, select picture transparency and make the transparency of the image 90%, and we can just close that. Next, come over to shapes, rectangle, and I'm just going to draw one here. Go over to shape fill, change the fill to white, and outline, select no outline. Go to shape effect, shadow, and we're going to use this first option. Come over to dimensions, height is going to be 3.65 and width is going to be 29.65, and we're going to have that here. I'm just going to move it and center it to the slide, the entire slide. I'm just going to kind of place it here. If we'll move it later on, we will, but for now let's just have it here. Next, insert another rectangle. So go to Home, Shapes, Rectangle, and we're going to insert this rectangle here. Change the fill to black, outline, select no outline. Height is going to be 3.65 and width is going to be 0.45. And I'm going to move this to the edge on this side, just on this side of the rectangle. I just wanted to check that I covered it properly. Next, go to Insert, Text Box, and I'm just going to type 5 trillion and select the entire text box. Change the fonts to Open Sans size 54. I'm going to increase the width of this text and align it to the middle of this. Maybe I'll just move it a little bit to the side. I'm going to create a copy of this text box here using Control and Shift, but we'll still have to realign it, so it really doesn't matter. Just use Control. I'm going to copy this and I'm just going to paste. Select the entire text box, change the font to Open Sans and size is going to be 20. Going to increase the width of this and then change the alignment of the text to right, and I'm going to also align it to the center and just align it so that there's equal spacing from this point to this point. Or I feel like we could even bring it closer. Let me just maybe move it maybe even a bit more. Let's see, something like this. Yeah, so this is what we have. Now we can just select all of this, all 4 items, Ctrl G to group, hold Ctrl and Shift, create a second copy, and then create a third copy, just like this. Now let's modify these two for our other items. Let's first of all just modify the text before we actually format the second one. So let's start with this one. To make things easier, we can just ungroup. I'm going to select this, and this is going to be just 8%. I'll just reduce the size of the text box, and let me just grab the text. This is going to be compound annual growth rates, and I'm going to paste it here. Text is, the font is Open Sans, size is 20. Increase it. So we're going to kind of move everything to opposite sides of wherever they are right now. So let's start with this one. I'm going to hold shifts so it won't move, and I can move it while keeping in line with where its position is. I'm just going to move it here. I think I'm trying to make sure that it's not hanging off the edge, and we have this here. I'm going to move 8% here, and I'm going to move this text while holding shifts to around here. Okay, I can still save some space here. Just move that. Okay, so this is what the second one should look like. I'm just going to select all the items and then group. Finally, for this one, we're just going to select this and change the text to trends. Select the entire text box and reduce the text size to 32. And I'm just going to move this size at the center. Just reduce the size of the text box. Let's go to our notes. I'm going to copy this text and I'm going to paste it here. Select the entire text box, change the font to Open Sans and size is 20, and also make it bullet points. Just increase the size of these items so that they will both fit in the text. I just want it to be as close to the edge as possible, and then I'm going to align it to the middle of this rectangle. Let me just move this so that the spacing won't be as much. I think that looks fine. Final detail is another text box. So let's go to Insert, Text Box, and this is going to be Industry Overview. Select the entire text box, change the font to Railway, and size is 44. I'll just increase this and move it to the edge of this. I'm just going to select these three items and move all of them a little bit to the top, and I'm just going to move this like this. And yeah, that's it for this slide. Now let's apply our animation. So let's go over to the animations tab. I'm going to select these three and we're going to use float in. Select this first one, change it to with previous for the starts. This one, start, is going to be after previous, and start is also going to be after previous for this one. Now let's open our slideshow and see what this slide looks like. And yeah, that's it for the industry overview slide.